How to change the function of the swipe shutter button on your Samsung camera app. So whether you wanted to swipe down on the shutter button for a burst shot or to simply create a GIF or GIF, whatever you want to call it. When you're ready to change this option, go into the camera settings for your Samsung camera app itself. And once here, you'll tap on these four dots right there to the bottom right section over here. As you do that, there's going to be a pop-up of certain more options here, and you'll see the settings toggle right there. So as you tap on that, that's going to take you into your camera settings, and you're looking for the part that says pictures, swipe shutter button 2. When you go into it, you can either have it set for a burst shot or set it up for a GIF or GIF option on your shutter button. So this is only going to be for in the photo mode when you're using your Samsung camera app. And that's that. Like and sub.